This is near the art gallery. Art gallery of Red Circles. That's the name.
Alright, we'll see you at the train station.
The domain terrace. Art for all. I don't know what they have here.